Good morning, first grade. It is time for Number Corner. So let's take a look at our calendar. And we are in the month of December. Yesterday was Thursday, so today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, December 3rd. So today is Friday, December 4th, 2020. And let's take a look at our calendar card. So we have a bunch of blocks, and the arrow is pointing to these blocks right here. Those are the blocks we're going to focus on and figure out what their 3D shape is. So if you can see, it looks like there are 6 different faces, and all of the faces are a square. So that means that this is a cube. Okay, this is the shape of a cube. So for today, Friday, December 4th, 2020, our shape of the day is a cube. So let's write that. So we'll write the date, 12-4. We're going to come over here to cube and write blocks. Those were the blocks that we focused on today. They were a cube. All right, and today's date, December 4th, 2020. So 12-4-20. All right, so let's update the rest of our number corner. Okay. So let's go to our days in school, and we get to add another day in school today. And so we are filling in the last square. And so we have made a new group of 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We've been in school for 60 days. And like we talked about earlier, we can see that this is 50. This is half of our 100 chart. So 50 plus 10 more equals 60. The number 60 means 6 groups of 10 and 0 ones. Okay, so we have 60 plus 0, or 50 plus 10. Okay. There's some other equations you could write to make 60. So let's color in our calendar collector, 1 more hour for 1 more day in school. And so we are adding from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So I'm going to move my hour hand to our 10. Okay, and our minute hand is still on the 12 for o'clock. So it is 10 o'clock. And here are the matching cards. The analog card, which has the hour hand pointing to the 10, the minute hand up to the 12 to say o'clock, and then here is our digital card, 10 o'clock. Okay, and we are at 22 hours of our 24 hours of collection. So we are at 10 p.m. at night. So p.m. is the nighttime. Okay, so think about what you should be sleeping at 10 o'clock at night. I should be sleeping at 10 o'clock at night. And we have 2 more hours before it's midnight and a new day would begin. Okay, so we get to flip over this red card today and move from 59 to 60 because it's a decade day. So our friend Tad here, 10 adds decades. He's going to jump from 50 all the way over to 60. He jumped a full 10 to a new decade. All right, and with our number line getting so long, I had to continue our number line over here on the left, kind of by the rest of the calendar over here. So we are going to add, so we had 50, and now we're going to add a new decade because today is day 60, and then we circle our decade days, and we can count by tens, starting at 0, and then we'll stop at 60. So help me count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now we will be starting to work on the 60s. In your number corner lesson for today, there is a decade day page that I want you to complete. You can either complete it in your number corner workbook and take a picture, I believe it's page 22, or I put it in Seesaw and you can do the work right in Seesaw if you want. So that's your number corner lesson today.